Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 12th of April, where we did a lady spin with man, first move walk around wrapper, a reverse shoulder slide, and a sway tangle. Now, if you need a more detailed teach of any of those moves, there are links in the description below, so you can go into them in more detail. This is just to show you how everything went together. So starting with a lady spin with man, right to right, went like this. It went 7 and 8. We went a back, prep, everybody spin, catching the left, return, first move walk around wrapper. We come in and walk, walk, twist out, return, into walk, walk, twist out, return, walked one and a twist, twist, turn, face, reverse shoulder slide. So we went a latch, slide, catch, into the sway, we came a back into the tangle, went walk, walk, brought the lady back. How long you walked for was up to you. Brought the lady through the loop again, going forwards and coming back into the turn, over the head and spin and catch. And that was it. Hopefully you'll find that useful. Music recommendation of something nice to practice to on the end. If you are up for it, we'd be very, very grateful if you like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out and you'll help promote the channel. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.